So we started the upgrade by removing this 15 horsepower compressor from the rack. We'll be replacing it with a larger model. With that compressor out of the way, I prepped all the pipe work for the new layout on the new compressor. Being a larger footprint, the inlet and outlet of the compressor will be in different spots, so we'll have to do some pipe work. I like to sand all my pipe work before I cut it. Usually this makes it easier for the cleanup on the other side. You got a little more pipe to hold on to. I don't get to use these pipe cutters very often, but I do like them when I get to use them. They'll cut up to 2-in-1 pipe, and they don't take a lot of space. Unfortunately, my coworker couldn't make it today, so I was flying solo. We had planned on swapping this compressor in a day, but without him I couldn't do it. So I just made up these quick caps so I could get the rack back up and running while I tried to figure out how to get the compressor in the hole and figure out the piping layout. I think now I got pretty much every welding blanket that you can get. This one works really nice because it's got some magnets in it that makes it a little heavier, and it'll attach to the metal components on the rack. So I installed it here to try and prevent from burning the insulation, because that always turns into a nightmare and a terrible smell. Alright, so we got an evacuation complete on this thing, so we can open it back up to the system. All my pinch weld caps held, so now we'll worry about putting the new compressor in place, laying out the electrical, and doing some prep work on the pipe work before I actually have to evacuate this part again and do all the connections for my pipe work. Having a vise on site is definitely a game changer. I needed to save this dryer canister, so using my 32 tip, we sweated out the old suction valve, and then I'll prep it for the new pipe work. Alright, I got the compressor in place now, so let's just do our final tie-ins and we'll get this system up and running.